In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Battlefield 5 with a controller on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up any controller that you have from any brand to play Battlefield 5 on PC. For the method that I'm gonna show you in this video, you are either going to have Battlefield 5 purchased on Steam, or you can add Battlefield 5 as a non-Steam game. So first, open up the Steam launcher, go to your library and select Battlefield 5 from the list. If you want it here, all you have to do is click on it, but if you don't, click Add a Game at the bottom left corner of the screen and then add a non-Steam game, and follow the Battlefield 5 executable. You will notice that I don't own it at the moment, so I'm going to teach you this process by using Destiny 2 as an example. All that you have to do to make sure that your controller works after you click on Battlefield 5 is to click the settings icon at the right side of the game, go into the properties and make sure under the controller tab that Steam input is enabled. With Steam input enabled, it's going to help the Steam launcher automatically detect and set up any controller that you have regardless of the brand. You will now have access to this little gamepad icon where you can browse through all the available layouts made by the community for the game, or use the official one, and you can even manually make your own layout by assigning each button to a specific action. As long as you run the game through Steam with your controller connected, this process is going to work. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Battlefield 5 with a controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.